Okay, so now we're going to look at divisibility rules. These are some shortcuts in math, and these are pretty cool, okay? Because these are ways that you can automatically tell some factors of a number. So even if you've got a number that's 7 digits long, you can quickly figure out if it's divisible by 2, 3, 5, 6, and 10. And I'm also going to teach you another couple of rules. Okay? Because I know that you can handle a couple more rules than this. They just give you these because 4 and 7 and 9 are a little tricky. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to do 7 because it's a little weird and that might take us into Algebra 2. Oh, excuse me. Look at me yawning already. But I am going to teach you the 4 rule and the 9 rule. The 9 is my personal favorite. It is so cool. Okay, but let's look at what they've got here. A number is divisible by 2. Now, we actually said this a couple of videos ago. If the last digit in a number is 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, then that number is an even number. All even numbers are multiples of 2, which means that all even numbers are divisible by 2. Or 2 is a factor of every even number. So I'm going to write all 3 of those. Okay? All even numbers are multiples of 2. Okay? There goes my alarm in the background to make sure I know what time it is when it's 30 minutes till our lesson. Turn that off in a second. Okay, so all even numbers are multiples of 2. Every even number is divisible by 2. Okay, and then the third fact, 2 is a factor of every even number. Okay, so all 3 of those facts are true. If a number is a multiple of 2, it's also divisible by 2, and 2 is a factor of it. If a number is a multiple of 3, then it's divisible by 3, and 3 is one of its factors. If a number is a multiple of 16, then it's divisible by 16, and 16 is one of its factors. Now, let me turn this off, because it's driving me nuts. All right, there we go. Okay, now let's look at the 3's. Okay, so we know that 2, a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in one of those numbers. Okay, so I want you to write, we're actually going to look at 3's in just a second. I want you to write 4 large numbers, 4 3-digit numbers. Okay, so let's say 360 something. Okay, I want you to write 4 3-digit numbers that are multiples of 2. Remember that also means they're divisible by 2, and 2 is one of their factors.